guys, we are here for Angel vaccine. L'ultima Miranda time. So guys, I'm making tigella. Sorry guys. I'm making tigella for our Miranda. Hello people. Tigella for our Miranda. So guys, you can use prosciutto if you have, or chocolates, Nutella. My children never use Nutella. You know, you just cut it and put whatever you want inside.
Quando vi arriva il prodotto passate prima in cassa, ritiro fino a sabato.
So guys, I'm here to buy spray for mosquito. This one has lock.
Auguri! Oh, di nuovo! Bravi!
So guys, I made okra soup. So this is my Gary. My drinking Gary. I love to drink Gary, eh? So this is semo. This night my children are going to eat semo. You know, I cook okra soup for them. So I'm sorry. We don't eat heavy food in the night, but they will manage it. So that is. So guys, I'm going to eat semona. I think it's hot. This is not. This is a wheat. You know. Ah, mamma mia, is pepper. Oh, buonissimo. Oh, naso. No, you can. Thanks for watching.
Hey!
So guys, we are going to wash our dress. Can you see? Our washing machine is spoiled. So andiamo. Tu vuoi con? We are going to wash our dress. I did swap on a mini. Millie Rivanida. Or Millie one from Millie Aguilera. I did just swap one. I just swap one. If a motor, I just swap maybe the baby. So, as soon as I put the line here, when I small next Saturday, ahead, take it as soon as Saturday. Can you put the line here? So, and that one you need can go. So I just swear a banner swap. Now you really guy knows, I just swear a million banana. Hey! African is fine, oh.
Guarda quello grosso. Mamma mia, mamma cosa ho fatto? È grosso.
Vuoi che le così che wash? Oggi fanno il giga fuoco a milli. So guys, this is the lavandino. Ciao. Oh mamma mia. Come funziona? Mo. Guarda, va bene. Mango butunki. I don't even know how he's walking. Hey, did you get that fry? Mi vuoi mettere ancora? Sì. Metti ancora bianca. No, però adesso è già pieno, no? Basta, adesso è pieno. Così si chiude. Così è chiuso. Allora, che numero vuoi? 1? Selezionato 1, vedi? Poi dobbiamo pagare.
L'estate è cibo di fare.
Che abbiamo? of my fault. I'm not going to see you. I'm supposed to use this one. The first one that I want. This one is very, very big. Yeah.
Tired though.
These are to wash, I'm making video. This one is to wash blankets and the, you know. But the first one is here. This one is very small. And it's only white. So this is white. So this one is 10 euro. And this one is, I paid 6 euro. Can you see? Just to wash. These people, it's better they'll bring a washing machine. I can't continue like this. This is my first time coming to, you know. It's not people. So guys, we are done. We are done washing. So start it now. Daddy is back, so I'm gonna start going to the house now. This is Daddy will come and carry it. Thanks for watching till now. Bye. Ciao.
Ciao.